Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm sharing another Dollar Tree haul with you, and I think that right now they have some of the coolest things in stores because it's a little bit of everything. They have a whole lot of new farmhouse stuff which I hadn't seen before, a lot of Valentine's things, a lot of spring things, and organizational stuff, which is perfect because spring cleaning, everybody gets that bug to organize and to clean. I know for sure that I've been doing the same. I'm actually doing a closet organization video. So let me show you some of the really cool stuff that I found. And the first item is something that they have every year, but I feel like every year that they put it out, they kind of make it look a little better. It might be all in my head, but it's these little faux galvanized tins. Now, way back when they were kind of just silver with some lettering, now they actually look pretty galvanized, and I think they look better. If I'm making it up in my head, let me know. But I do have some old ones where it's just silver and plain. So I know I'm not crazy, unless it's just a different style and I don't know about it. But I've seen so many in stores. They have these round ones. They have the oval ones, which I used for my gift baskets. This I use in my bedroom for my money tree, which is flourishing and thriving, and I love it. I think it looks so cute. This right here, I believe you can remove with 100% pure acetone, so if you don't like the lettering on this one, you can wipe this down. I know the other ones are a little bit indented in. This one is just a sticker, so you can remove that, I think. Don't quote me. This was the first time I had seen this in stores. I usually always see door hooks, but this black iron one is nice and compact and really pretty. It's not the cheap white plastic one or the silver one, and I think this would be absolutely perfect for a bathroom door. The silver one that I usually get gets stuck when I go to close the door, so I'm hoping that because this one's a little bit more narrow that it won't do that. If it does, that's completely okay. I think you can also use this on a fence if you have little plants to hang on it. There's just so many things you can do with this. So I wish it had the sticker. I actually had to have them scan something twice to be able to charge me, but I love that they are switching up and giving you more decor options, I guess. So I bought some of the clay pots. These are the medium-sized ones. They have, actually this might be the large because I think they have a smaller one and then a teeny tiny one which comes in a 3-pack. I'm not sure. I bought so many of these, but I do plan on doing a really quick video where I show you how to make faux plants using Dollar Tree stuff. Super simple, nothing crazy. These are a really good buy. However, I do wish that Dollar Tree sold the little plates that go on the bottom of them. I know they're always sold separately in stores, but Dollar Tree doesn't even give you that option. I just wish that they sold it because it would come in really handy for lots of projects. I am going to be completely honest with you. I am not a huge Bolero product fan. I think that most of the time it's really watered down, really thin. I have sensitive skin, so I can't use any of the face products, so I can't speak for that. But the only product that I really enjoy would be the bath salts. And that's it. And that's because I use them for pedicures. But I found this body polish, which is coconut oil and sea salt, all skin types and advanced formula. And I really hope that this is good because right now, oh, I'm so glad that they sealed this well. The smell is really nice. If you like coconut smelling things, I know a lot of people don't. But right now it's really cold. My little hands are shrivelly. So I plan on keeping this right next to my sink so that whenever I wash my hands, I can just do a quick run of this, but this is meant to be used in the shower or for feet, whatever you want. So I will let you know if this works, but I hope it does. I really do. This modular wall storage is really cool, and on the picture it has a little succulent on here, so you can use it as a vertical planter. But I think it would be a really good idea if you had a really small bathroom to put your makeup brushes in if you don't have a ton, or if you have a craft room. Oh, actually in the back, that's actually what they're using it for. They have scissors and pens and papers. There's so many things you can do with this, but definitely succulents would look beautiful in here. In the book section, I found this really cool recipe book, Chelsea Market Maker, Recipe, Tips, and Techniques from the Artisans of New York's Premier Food Hall. So I just think this is a really great coffee table book or to display in your kitchen. I love it. It is beautiful. I might actually look up some recipes in here. The inside, the art is really, really nice. For a regular kitchen, this would be beautiful decor, but particularly for farmhouse style, because of the little cow and the colors on here, this would be really great as well. And I'm pretty sure that they do have really great recipes, but a lot of times people buy books for decor nowadays since everybody has Audible and all sorts of services like YouTube that teaches you recipes without you even having to look for stuff. But I always love this. I'm the type of person that even though I've cooked something 500 times, I like to see it in writing. That's just how I am. This sign was so cute. I know other people have hauled it before, but I just found it. It is the farmer's market sign with the little cow, chicken, and pig. So cute. I love that their stuff is not huge, so that if you don't have a big kitchen, you don't feel like something's overpowering your kitchen. And these are the wall plaques that I use in all of my shelf videos. A lot of people said that they were no longer bringing these back, but they totally are. And I know that this one is 3D and you can't use it, and who would want to because it's so cute, but they do have a lot of other ones. I found this one that says Market, Fresh Produce. Beautiful. I wouldn't want to use this one either, but it is the same style and it's one of the longer ones. This would be perfect for a shelf. Then I found this one that says Blessed. I don't love this one too much because of this thing going on down here. I don't know, there's something about it that just is a little weird. But they are bringing these back, so to anybody who did want to recreate one of those shelves, these are back in stores. They came back around the time that they had the breast cancer stuff out, and now this is kind of like standard for their decor pieces. They have a lot of mermaid ones too, and unicorns. I also found this cow, and that's that for the wall plaques. Like I said, if you have a very small kitchen, these aren't huge and overpowering. And I don't know about you, but I would actually put this around my house, not just my kitchen. My sister kind of is against it because she's like, well, it should be in a kitchen because it says Market, but I think it would look cute just on a regular wall. I have a very open concept. My house is not huge by any means, it's actually quite tiny. So I don't have wall space in my kitchen to put these things up, which makes me so sad because I have so many cute signs. Another adorable sign that I found, and this one is teeny tiny, so you can even put this in your office. It is faux wood and it says family. The family is galvanized. Family is everything is what it says. And it's got the little kickstand in the back to use as a regular picture frame. Beautiful for a gallery wall if you want to have one of the smaller pieces, or for gifts, whatever you want. You can always just pop off the galvanized family if you wanted to use it for something else. This is why I love the Dollar Tree stuff. You can convert it into so many things. Another thing I purchased for a possible gallery wall, if we do move because I have no space here, is the Home is Where the Heart Is. And this is the same style that they had before, where it's just the little clear. This is just plastic, so you can pop it off if you really don't like what it says there and just use the frame. But I am going to keep it as is because I think it's beautiful. And you can just hang it up. It does have some wire to hang. I have a kitchen one. I don't remember what it says, but I do use it for staging certain things. For organization, I found this dish rack. And I do already own a dish rack from Dollar Tree, but it is a completely different style. I actually like this a lot more. It's a lot sturdier. Yes, you can bend these in, but for what I want to use it for, this is absolutely perfect. So with my other one, what I do is I organize tissue paper and gift bags into them so that everything kind of remains separately. I also do my lids for my pots, and this one would actually be a lot better for the lids because the separation is pretty nice, and the other one kind of has like a little kickstand. I don't like that. So there's so many things you can do with this. For Valentine's, I found these little hearts, and last year I did I made an arrangement using these and roses where I just put chocolate in. Nothing crazy, but I do plan on using this just as a filler. I said I was going to take some pictures of Aria. I haven't done that because the lighting has just been so awful lately. I don't know if you can tell, but I look pretty blue in this lighting because it's just so gloomy out. But I will try and get that video out, I promise. It's just a little hard. It's a little difficult. For that same video idea, I also bought these felt hearts. I wanted to make a little garland for her for the picture. So we'll see. This one brings 8 and it comes in pink, white, and red. So if you don't like the red, you can just use the pink and white, or you can just use the white and mix it in with some of your galvanized hearts or some of your wood hearts. You can do so much with this. This I thought was so perfect. It's little thank you stickers. It says thanks, thankful, you're the best, many thanks. So if you do have an event and you do send thank you notes out, this would be really perfect, a really great alternative to actually buying individual thank you cards, because Dollar Tree sometimes does have card stock. Sometimes they come in different colors, sometimes they come in craft paper and gold or white and gold. I've hauled that before. So to put these little stickers on there with a personal note would be pretty nice. Or just as is. I love their stickers. Next up on organization, I found these bins. I love that at this time you can find so many color coordinated things. It just makes you feel a little bit more put together when things all look the same, at least I do. So I found these. I also found these little sandwich things for my daughter, and I think this would be perfect for little toys that have a lot of pieces. We don't get her big puzzles just yet, but we do have a lot of toys for her that brings a lot of extras. Like she has a Minnie Mouse that has a ton of outfits. Her little American baby doll has a ton of stuff. So I think this would just be perfect. And then you can label it up top, or if you want to be fancy, you can take a picture of what's actually in here and what's supposed to be in here and put it on here. But that's if you want to be fancy. You don't have to do that at all. And they do have these in different colors. It's not just pink. I believe they have a blue, and they come in this color as well. And of course you can use this for sandwiches. I just thought it was a nice size. And if you are using this for sandwiches, that is one big old sandwich, because look at this. So that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and as usual, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much, and let me know in the comments section what you'll be on the lookout for. I will see you all next time.